I think everybody comes here to see what's new out there in the whole wide world of kitchens and bathrooms, and I think it's a good opportunity to be able to come to one place and check out all of the new products.
I guess our expectations were quite high. I feel like we've met that.
I think it's been really good, really seeing even architects and designers bring their cabinet makers along.
We get to see everything, we get to feel it, we get to touch it, we get to see exactly how it all runs.
A lot of people came through, the designers, the contacts that we get, it's the best we've had.
To have something specifically for kitchens and bathrooms in Australia is just really great.
I definitely say come in here with an open mind and ready to take a lot of photos and do your cardio workout because you'll be carrying a lot of samples.
Just a one-stop shop.
Kitchen and Bathroom Show allows us to get to architects, designers, interior designers, builders.
We've had a lot of architects and interior designers come through, which is fantastic for us because that's a target group that's sometimes really hard to get to. And of the 400 registrations we've had, 190 have asked for follow-up sales consultation, this is what we're here for.
They're the specifiers of the products, and ultimately they need to know you exist. We've sent out 750 brochures. We keep having to go home and collect more, go to the warehouse and collect more samples. So there's no doubt we've got a ton of leads off the back of this.